Number 8, find the explicit formula for the sequence. So first thing we need to do is say, hey, what's it going up by? This is obvious, hey, you're multiplying by 2. If it weren't obvious, I would just take the second term, divide by the first, and get what it's getting multiplied by. But hey, we're multiplying by 2 every time. So we know our rate is changing by 2. So we're multiplying by 2, then multiplying by 2 again, multiplying by 2 again. The formula says the nth term is going to be the first term, which is 2, times the rate to the n minus 1 power. Okay, so what are our terms here? Well, a to the 1 is simply a 2 times the rate of change. What is it multiplied? It's being multiplied by 2 to the n minus 1, because if we want to come out and find like the 50th spot, a to the 50th is going to be 2 times, we keep multiplying by 2 49 times because it's going to be 49 hops to get there. And we're going to multiply by 2 49 different times. So the formula we want for number 8 is right here. For number 9, well, this is interesting. What do we multiply by here? Negative 2. Negative 10 times negative 2, positive 20. Positive 20 times negative 2. We're multiplying by negative 2. So our formula, a to the n, is going to be our first term times whatever we're multiplying by, in this case, negative 2 to the n minus 1. So a to the n is equal to a 5 times your rate of change was what? Negative 2. So this should be negative 2 here to the n minus 1. The next one, what we're multiplying by, it looks like you're dividing by 2. You are, but that's the same as multiplying by a what? Half. And again, if you weren't sure, you would take your second term, divide by your first term, and it says, hey, you were obviously multiplying by a half here. So our formula, a to the n, is equal to the first term times r to the n minus 1. So a to the n, first term is 80. What was our rate of change? A half to the n minus 1. Number 11, what are we multiplying by here? Well, this one looks sort of tricky, doesn't it? So if we do 7.5 divided by 3, it says, hey, what is that? Well, I don't know. Let's see. 7.5 divided by 3. Oh, 2.5. You're multiplying by 2.5 each time. So a to the n is your first term. Let's just do that. 3 times what is the rate? It's going up by 2.5 each time. N minus 1, because if we go out 5 times, you're only going to multiply by 2.5 4 times to get to that 5th spot. So there's number 11.